Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a while since I've done like different tutorials. That's the reason why I did my most recent one for makeup, because it's changed a little bit. And I think it's been a while since I did anything regarding my hair. So I'm going to show you how I do my hair for work, and give you like some little other secrets that work for me and maybe they'll work for you. One of the things I started using is this Suave. It is a heat defense leave-in conditioner. So I put that in. It's the keratin infusion. And then another thing I've been doing a lot is that, if you notice, I haven't colored my hair in about a year. So my roots are pretty dark. So when I use dry shampoo now, I've been using the dark brown dry shampoo. And I like it a lot. It saves me from having to wash my hair a lot. Washing it every day, I try to go like 4, 5, 6 days with shampooing my hair. So this really helps a lot. Everything that I bring up, I will put down in the description. And also, let me show you, this is the curling wand I've been using. I guess it's called Straight Ahead. But I bought it at the mall. And I did feel a little pressured to buy it, but I'm really glad that I did. Okay, so I'm gonna stand back a little bit so you can see me better. And then, I can zoom in when I edit the video. So what I do is, the first thing, I don't know why, but I always start back here. I may have to squat a little bit. But this is what I do. All right. I start at the base and I wrap around. And I don't put the ends in the curling wand. A little bit. And I just pull out and it leaves like a little, see how it leaves a ringlet and then the ends are kind of straight? I grab the next section. I think I'm going to squat down so y'all can see. Alright. And then the last part is right up front. I do it away from my face and I don't put the ends in. Alright, so see how I have these few pieces done? Alright. Throw them over. And then I get this one right next to my face. And I do it away, I curl it again away from my face, wrap it around. And I don't put the ends on the wand. See, it looks like a little ringlet. Alright. Now I go to the other side. Same thing. I start on this side. Grab the curling wand in the opposite hand, okay? And you always do it with the opposite end, and you point it down, and you wrap the hair around. You can kind of see that my hair has a little bit of natural wave to it. It's like some parts of my hair is naturally wavy, and some parts are naturally straight. what I do is I do the longer hair. I do the longer hairs underneath. So start in the middle back of my head. And I hold it more straight out this way. Goes in the opposite hand, goes in my right hand. And I don't really comb, I don't comb out perfect sections. I just grab chunks of hair. Okay. Same thing, see how? What you do is you other side. I'm messy. So then what I do is I spray a little hairspray. Try a little bit. And then I just look for a few pieces here and there that maybe I need to redo. I like more of a messy look because my hair is naturally messy. It doesn't stay fixed super pretty. So when I do my hair, I'm gonna have to redo this front. I don't take a lot of time to do it because it doesn't matter how much time I work on my hair, it gets messy again. So I just try to make it look like a little bit of a pretty messy. Alright, then I just kind of get my fingers and break them apart a little bit. And to me that's good enough because it's just not going to stay, but that's what it does. Alright, and then I will sometimes do a little more hairspray. And then sometimes I'll actually even do a little bit of a dry shampoo. And I'll lift it to kind of get in there. But that's how I do it. And you can tell it's not perfect. It's just because my hair doesn't do perfect, so messy is the best way to go. All right, well, I hope that helps. All right, so I want to show you all what I do when I go to bed and what helps me fix my hair in the morning. Because like I said, I don't shampoo it every morning. So before I go to bed, I lean over. And then I pull it up. I use one of these little cloth rubber bands. It's a cloth band, so I don't even want to call it a rubber band. And then I pull my hair into like a little bun like this. That's not the prettiest, y'all. I sleep like this, and what it does is it keeps my ends from getting all frizzy. So when I sleep and I'm rubbing against, it doesn't make my hair frizzy. I felt like it was making it frizzy and break off. And it keeps, oddly enough, it keeps the curls in a little bit. So then when I wake up in the morning, I take it out. A lot of times in the morning, all I have to do is touch up the front. Like, see how this is kind of straight, but the bottom kind of keeps the curls. So a lot of times in the morning, all I gotta do is just re-roll like around maybe like 6 pieces of hair on top. You see, I would choose that piece. Kind of redo my bangs a little bit. But really, a lot of times when I wake up, the bottom part still has its little ringlets, and I just have to touch up the front. So if you want to subscribe, click here. And if you want to watch my most recent video, click here. And if you, you want to visit my website, click over here. And as always, if you want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of that is Sheri LaBrant. And you all have a wonderful week.